Good morning, students. For today's class, let us learn new topic relations and function. In 11th standard, you had studied relations and function. You had studied Cartesian product in the lesson relation and function. Also, you had studied domain and range of a function relation. As well as you had studied different types of function. Now, in this relation and function, you are going to learn types of relation. So, basically, what is relation? Relation is a subset of Cartesian product. Here we have three types of relation: reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Now when relation is called as reflexive, a relation R is a subset of S cross S on set S is said to be reflexive if X related to X is true for every X belonging to S. So whenever element is related to itself, we call the relation as reflexive. Now, a relation R, subset of S cross S on set S, is said to be symmetric if X related to Y implies Y related to X for all X, Y belongs to S. So whenever 1, 2 belongs to R, implies 2, 1 belongs to R. A relation is called symmetric. Example I gave. Then next relation is transitive relation. What is meant by transitive relation? A relation R is said to be transitive if X related to Y and Y related to Z implies X related to Z for every X, Y, Z belongs to R. That is, if X, Y belongs to R and Y, Z belongs to R, this will imply X, Z belongs to R. Then the relation is called transitive. And a relation R is said to be an equivalence relation if it is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. So to understand this concept of reflexive, symmetric, transitive, let us solve one example. Here I present a problem before you. If R is a relation defined on A containing a set containing elements 1, 2, 3 by R equals to set containing ordered by A, B, where A and B belongs to A, such that A and B are both even or both odd. Means in the relation R, we should have the ordered pairs where A and B are both even or both odd. The question is, list the elements of R. Second question, check if R is an equivalence relation. Means we have to check whether the relation is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. So the relation is defined on set A containing 1, 2, 3. So let us list the elements of R. R is equals to, now the condition of relation is the ordered pairs A, B is such that both are even or both odd. So let us start with the first element, that is 1. We can include 1, 1 because both are odd. 1 and 1 both are odd. Next, can I include 1, 2? No, because 1 is odd and 2 is even. Then 1, 3 I can include because both are odd. Now let us start with 2. 2, 1 I cannot include because 1 is odd, 1 is even. Then 2, 2. Next 2, 3 I cannot include as 1 is even, 1 is odd. Then start with 3, 1. I can include 3, 1 as both are odd, and 3, 3 both are odd. So these are the elements of R. So there are total 5 ordered pairs in which either the elements are odd or even. Now let us check whether the relation is an equivalence relation. So let us see whether the relation is reflexive or not. Now as you know, a relation is said to be reflexive if x related to x for every x belonging to A. Now here there are three elements 1, 2, 3. We can see here ordered by 1, 1, so that means 1 is related to 1. Here 2, 2 means 2 is related to 2, and 3, 3 means 3 is related to 3. So every element is related to itself, therefore the relation is reflexive. And we write here as R is reflexive as 1, 1, 2, 2 and 3, 3 belongs to R. Now let us check whether this relation is symmetric or not. So yes, R is symmetric as 1, 3 belongs to R implies 3, 1 belongs to R. So we write here R is symmetric as 1, 3 belongs to R implies 3, 1 belongs to R. Therefore, R is symmetric. Now let us check whether R is transitive. Here we can see that 1, 3 belongs to R and 3, 1 belongs to R implies 1, 1 belongs to R, and therefore R is transitive as 1, 3 belongs to R, 3, 1 belongs to R implies 1, 1 belongs to R. So we have seen R is transitive as 1, 3 belongs to R, 3, 1 belongs to R implies 1, 1 belongs to R. So therefore R is an equivalence relation. So since R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive, we can conclude that therefore R is an equivalence relation. Okay.